What up, fam? We are at Vengeance Racing. You can tell I did a little something with the wheels. Hyper Silver is the finish on the powder coat. Looking absolutely nuts. There are some extremely fast American muscle cars here. Boosted, beautiful Pontiac, Camaro, that's my vibe. Camaro on slicks, also my vibe. Some pretty crazy cars here. I'm here with my friend Dakari, flew in from Puerto Rico. He is the man for photos. And so we're gonna have a good day checking out the vibe here. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. Guys, Hyper Silver is the move. No more gloss black wheels. I can actually see the wheels in the photos. Check it out, guys. What a collection of American muscle cars. Z28, Camaro, C6, ZR1. Got some cars protected. Old Pontiacs classic. Drag radials everywhere. Big intercoolers everywhere. Absolutely insane. This is like being in a candy store. I love Camaros, so I love seeing so many of them out here. This is perfect. Cadillacs and Chevys. Even got a C8 back there. This is Vengeance Racing, guys. What a perfect shop. If you're an American muscle car lover, this is the place to be if you're in North Georgia. Seriously can't believe it. And then I seriously think that silver is the way to go if you're getting wheels on the car. Everyone's got black wheels now, so this is Hyper Silver, guys. Hyper Silver on the powder coat. Look at the meat on this SS, guys. You know this thing is fast. Beautiful color on it too. Oh my gosh, and look at this Corvette. Both of these things on drag packs. Take a closer look at this. I think it's a ZL1, guys, also on a drag pack. Front wheels look insane. All these cars faster than mine. And they're all rear wheel drive too. Now I gotta go big turbo. Port injection, whole 9 yards now. This green though. Oh, this green looks so good. If I was to spec a Camaro, this is the way I would spec it. Beautiful, beautiful wheels. Oh, beautiful. Black hood, red calipers. Looking insane. Dakari knows. Look at these Corvettes, guys. There's not a. I haven't seen one Mustang, thank God.
See where the one Mustang is.
No way. Oh, it's a new one too. Look at this, guys. Kid in a candy store.
Oh my goodness.
Vengeance Racing, guys. Check them out. All right, fam. This is Cameron with Vengeance Racing. He's giving us a little rundown of what they got going on.
Yeah, absolutely. So this side of the shop, this is our production shop. This is going to be everything that's tag, title, insurance, your daily driver, something you're going to pass on the street, see every day.
Do you hear him? Daily driver.
Daily driver.
Daily
Yeah.
driver.
Yeah, you'll see some parachutes around here, still daily drivers. They got license plates.
They got plates, tag, title, everything.
Yeah, absolutely. So everything over here is going to be limited to like bolt-ons, you know, cam head packages, superchargers, some small turbo stuff.
Nice.
Nothing too crazy, you know, out of normal. We say nothing too crazy, it's pretty normal for us. But yeah, so just to run you through a couple of builds. C7 ZR1 over here. Kind of
ZR1, guys. ZR1.
Should rip into the 4-digit horsepower with this one. Did heads, cam package, some goodies, blower. Got Mincer pullovers front and rear, ET Street R's, some forge lines. I mean, it's getting the...
You see the meats, guys.
Yeah, it's getting the whole kit and caboodle, if you will. Pair of Corvettes, kind of getting some heads, cam, ported blowers, nothing too crazy. Same with the 610 ZL1 over here.
I love the Camaros. That is my taste right here.
Yeah, this guy does a lot of track with this one as well. So, and
Look at that rear bracing on. Sheesh.
Even got a Mustang tucked in the corner.
Yeah.
Our
Beautiful
tech
color
fuzz.
on bronze wheels, guys. Check it out.
Yeah.
Must have powder coated it. I don't know if that comes factory. That looks great.
Getting a Whipple and long tube headers and full exhaust on this guy.
Check it out, guys. This thing is going to get supercharged. That's the way to do it.
You guys offer packages. So that's perfect. So you got zero C6, C7.
Yeah, so yeah, this is the this one not so much package. This one's definitely.
I don't think there's a package that could describe this car, guys. this is a special car.
There's no phone, camera, or anything that could do this thing justice.
No, no.
It is a beautiful.
Look at the coating on the.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
Once he's done, I'll turn the lights off.
Yeah, sure.
Guys, this is Vengeance Racing again. We're in Cumming, Georgia. So North Georgia, if you are an American muscle car owner, Pontiac, Cadillac, Chevy, Ford, this is the place to be. This is the place to be, guys.
This one's actually really nice. We just put a Magnuson 2650 on this one.
It's an SS, guys. SS on the green one. Beautiful spec.
Yeah, super tight. It looks beautiful. I love the
Dark green, wheels, black hood.
Yeah, we've done a one or two of them.
You heard them. They did one or two of them.
This
Nothing big.
is Mr. Momojan's car. We actually built this car to do street driving, road course, half mile. It ultimately went to half mile really big. I believe it's been 196 in the half mile. I think, and don't quote me, it's the fastest efficiency on 1.5 mile. We'll wick it all the way up to the
Check it out, guys. The smooth boost style. You can turn it down manually.
Yeah, if you're driving it down.
Just a light 800 wheel, no problem if you want to turn it down. Carbon bucket seats. Roll cage. Looks like a sequential shifter. Look at this trailer, guys. Big Daddy trailer. New race shop set up here.
So,
Goodness.
I'm just go ahead and get this one out of the way. This is the shop car. This is Fat Man.
Fat man.
Fat Man made 3,070 horsepower on the hub down at Fuel Tech.
3,070 horsepower.
Videos on Fuel Tech's YouTube channel is ours as well.
Check it out on Fuel Tech, guys.
So this is the still billet, it's still LS based, still technically a small block, but makes a little over 3,000 horsepower.
Oh, I have never seen such a deep tire in my life. That is insane. And I love seeing these cars in the wrap tucked away. GTO.
As well, this 1,700 horsepower C6 that's just neglected under the plastic over here. For sale, by the way.
For sale, Fuel Tech.
This one is for guaranteed 7-second car for sale.
Look at the CTS-V, guys. Don't see these. Two-door. Insane.
Yes, so this is Ron's wife's car.
Ron's wife's car.
Yeah, so just
Goals.
no LSA blower anymore, no 6L80 or 6L90. Twin turbos with 4L80. Parachute out the tag. Completely streetable, drive on the street, to and from, go get groceries. She's substitute feature as well, so I mean, it's a pretty alright ride for a
When you show up to school in that thing, they're gonna listen. You know what I'm saying? Wow, look at this.
So,
Zero given. Zero
this is,
given.
Ghost was the fastest naturally aspirated half-mile car for the longest period. That record's been taken over by many people now. Sequentially shifted. This thing makes like 1,100 naturally aspirated on the
What?
engine dyno.
What?
Naturally aspirated. Makes a little over 900 to the tire. It's been 199 and a half mile. I've not been 200. One-piece front end. Legs and all.
Z06, baby.
Another shop car, C8 Z06. This is Ron's personal car. We intake, half one cats, American racing headers. Kind of do a little bit of R&D work with this car. This thing sounds.
I was gonna say, what do you guys have planned for this? Because the platform's so new.
Yeah, it's very new. It's actually got the first set of the American Racing Tri-Y headers.
Wow.
We sent it to American Racers, American Racing Header, sorry, excuse me. American Racing Header, and they did their Tri-Y header.
Dude.
Do you guys see that on each side? That's insane. Absolutely gorgeous.
I don't see how people
Got a quick Mexico video, guys. Cameron's pulling up. Get your passport ready, fam. You can hear the sounds of Mexico behind me. Oh boy. Get in?
I'm just going to ride. We're not going to beat on it. We're just going to breeze it through.
All right.
Yeah. Make sure battery's charged.
Got you. Straight American race car, guys.
A street car? What you talking about?
A street car.
Street car. Gotta pick the groceries up in this thing. Ethanol, a little bit cold.
Just making sure the battery's already set.
Yeah, we just gotta make sure it's charged.
Oh my goodness. My goodness. What happens when you have a parachute in your rear view camera? Check it out, guys, behind the scenes. This is the full carbon ZR1. Getting light painted by the legend Dakari for photos. And these are just the street cars, they have plates.
That's the crazy part.
That is the crazy part.
Wait till you see your car tonight. Lights in background. I'll put the car on top. Yeah, I have 3 of them. We gotta go at the high velocity.
It goes back exactly where you got it.
Check it out, guys, we moved it a little bit. Look how aggressive it is with the wheel turn. There are blue accents in the wheel well. I'm not gonna lie, I love the Mustang with the bronze wheels in the back. It's getting a supercharger. That thing's gonna be amazing. It's the only Mustang here, surrounded by Chevys and Cadillacs and Pontiacs. Guys, we have a brand new Mustang GT, I believe. It's automatic. It's got that wide screen. It got a Whipple supercharger kit on it, already installed.
678 miles.
600 miles. Owner said, I need a supercharger. Such a beautiful spec. Guys, it's got bronze wheels, brown leather, matte carbon fiber. Let's see if we're gonna start this thing up real quick.
I'm gonna go throw all this stuff in the bag really quick.
Go for it, go for it. That sounds incredible. Incredible. Check it out, guys. Mustangs on the Brembos. You know what I'm saying? Crazy. What a beautiful car. Check it out, guys. This is the outside Vengeance Race, and there's the car.
Oh, we got it.
You ready?
We got it.
All right, brother.
Let's go see the
Got a CT5 Blackwing that pulled up. Woo! M2 pulled up. Sheesh.